This is a First Alert 5 weather alert.
Man, the wind was really ripping across southern Colorado today. Monarch Pass gusted to 87 miles per hour. Near Cuchara, 83. The Colorado Springs Airport gusted to 79 today, 75 in Lamar, 71 at the Pueblo Airport. Incredibly strong wind gusts. We had blowing dust. We had, of course, damage from the wind itself. Plus, we had dangerous fire danger. We still have a little bit longer where we have high wind warnings, red flag warnings in effect, but things are starting to calm down significantly this evening. Still periodically gusty tonight for the areas highlighted in yellow. This high wind warning will expire at 7. However, I am looking at another round of high wind warnings going into place tomorrow. So Wednesday, 6 a.m. till 7 p.m., these same zones are going to see another round of strong wind gusts from 60 to 75 miles per hour. So we are not quite done with the wind yet. It is easing up tonight. So we're seeing some gusts around 30 to 40 miles per hour, but they'll continue to ease up in the overnight, but then pick up right again tomorrow morning. 9:30 a.m. we're already gusting to 50 in Walsenburg, about 44 in Levita. Higher gusts over the mountain tops. That's where those 70+ mile per hour winds are expected early in the day. Then once we get to the afternoon on Wednesday, anywhere in this brown color could see winds in excess of 50 miles per hour. The red color is more of that 40 mile per hour range. Still definitely gusty out there, strong crosswinds on I-25 and the chance for some blowing dust. So Wednesday afternoon, still a bit of a nuisance with the wind. Plus you add on to that the fact that we're so dry. The fuels are dry, the vegetation, and our air is dry. So we'll have another round of red flag warnings. This is a warning that's in place tonight until 7. Tomorrow it's pared back just a bit, but we still have red flag warnings in place. Same timing, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. And then on Thursday, another round of potential red flag warnings. We have a fire weather watch for now. On Thursday, wind is going to be significantly lower, only gusting around 35 miles per hour, but will still be quite dry. But we're not dry into the mountains. We have active snowfall in place here for much of our zones west of the Continental Divide. This is where we will continue to see snow in multiple waves through the end of the week, and the San Juans especially will likely end up with multiple feet of snow by the time this week is done. Let me carry you quickly through the futurecast here. Through the rest of tonight, we'll still see mountain snow. Maybe a little bit of that moisture pushes just west of I-25 on Wednesday afternoon. Thursday is a fairly dry day, but then we'll have likely more snow coming in on Friday. And actually, some of that moisture on Friday could make it here to the plains. We'll have just enough humidity that some of that will probably make it to the ground. So I have that light snow chance through the day on Friday, and it will feel a lot cooler by the end of the week. So in Pueblo, you're still quite windy tomorrow, still a high wind warning, still very concerned about fire danger. By the end of the week, things will start to calm down, and Friday, we could have a wintry mix of precipitation. Should be pretty light though. Canyon City also still quite windy for you tomorrow. Winds will ease up by the end of the week, and we'll see a cool day on Friday to a high of 40 and chance of some light showers. Finally, for Woodland Park, windy for you tomorrow and some bursts of snow are expected periodically. Dry on Thursday, but still gusty. A little bit of snow again returning Friday.